Alright, opening up some more OP-14 packs. I think so far I've opened up 13 packs of the OP-14. I believe this is technically a pre-order, since I don't think they actually released till later this week. I think on Friday is when stores start having them. But out of the 13 packs, I think this will be 14. So far I've hit a Shanks and a Dracula Mihawk. Nothing crazy. Grandma, Admiral, Bonnie, Lao G, that dude. Alright, Bird Neptunian, Beepo, Dellinger, super strong guy by the way. Stage event, or a stage. And that is our leader, Boa Hancock. And another event, and Rayleigh. So that was pack 13. I believe this will be pack 15. Go ahead and just open up another pack today. So far, I haven't really hit anything crazy. Not gonna complain. Let's see, this is another leader pack. All right, well, 2 leader packs in one day. Not a fan of. Killer, Waratsumi. I don't think I said that right. Zala, Igaram, an event card, Porch or Porsche, Bluegrass, Cavendish, super powerful guy, Marianne, Gecko Moria, our leader again, Perona, and Law and Rosinant, I don't know. Nice card, I do like it. I do love it, actually. Thanks for opening up with me.